Hi guys, welcome to day 5. We are going to day 5 with the question called Group Anagrams. See, this is a medium question. So we came up to day 5 now. So we came with medium question, and the question is we given one string array. We group the same anagrams in one array, and we get the output. Suppose we have eat and tea are same strings but different, rearranging the letters. E-A-T, T-E-A, same letters, no? We just rearranging them in the string. So it is called anagrams. So this like strings we group in one array. Suppose here bat is totally different one. We'll compare to all other strings in the array. So we group one another array, and nat and tan are same. So same letters in the both strings, and eat and tea are same letters. So this is the main question, and I give one clue is we are using with the help of hash map. If you try it, please comment below. If you did not get, I will explain. Coming to logic of the question is, so it is very simple. I will explain neatly. So first we have eat here. So we sort that eat. They came A-E-T. So A-E-T. We same like T also. We sort T. That also came with A-E-T. Same like we group T 8. We also sort with 8. A-T. So A-E-T. So this A-E-T we store in key values, and key values are E-A-T and T and 8. This is the values in the hash map. First we sort the 8 and sort the T and sort the 8. We store in the same value, same sorted value, because if we sorted it 3 we get only 8. So this is the main logic. Suppose here bat, we sort the bat is get A-B-T. So we store the A-B-T in key, and key value is bat. So no other elements getting A-B-T as a sorted value. So we only store B. Same, and we have tan. So tan is A-N-T. This is a sorted value. We store in values tan and nat. Lastly, we print all the values. A-E-T one array. A-E-T one array. T these 3 are one array, and this one is another array. These 2 are another array. So this is the main logic. I will explain with the code. You understand betterly. Then first we created hash map. Hash map with string. Value is key is string, no, and value is we are adding the values. So here we create one list. So list is string, string. So here we give one variable hsup hash map map, and next thing we iterate through the string. So string some str to strings. How to sort this 8? So this is the logic we follow. First we convert the directly, we did not sort the 8. So first we convert it into character array. So here we character, suppose some C, we convert the str1 to character array. So array we can easily sort by default function called arrays.sortof. Arrays.sortof C. So now it is sorted. So again it is in our array form. We convert it in string, no? So string S equal to new of string of C. So it directly converted into string. And we check if the already string is present in the array or not. So how to check? HS dot contains key of S. The key value already present. First we check if it did not present. If it did not present, we directly add it to empty array. So HS dot put dot S comma new of array list with empty. So first, if the it is sorted, became AET. So first it did not present in the array key, no. So we directly go into there and store it 8 and empty string. So that if it is present, so we adding get of S dot add of. This is the main logic we have. So if it is and next T is came, we saw T already AET already present in the key. So directly we add here S dot get of S means we came with the array and array list. We add them into array list. This is a simple. You can better understand if you again watch this video. So that we directly return new of array list with the values HS dot values. This is a simple thing, and we can run or the get dot S add dot I. So we are here str1 not I. We add in a string, no, str1. So it accepted. We can submit here. Yeah, it accepted. Thank you.